updating your personal information on Verizon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, look for an option labeled personal information or contact information. Click on this to access your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields you wish to change, such as your address, phone number, or email. Make sure to enter the new information accurately. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date with Verizon.